Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, right now I'll be showing you how we make kombo. Kombo is a mixture we make from ash, and it helps us to quicken the cooking process of some of our dishes, and it also helps us to maintain color in some greens. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's go into it. So we shall start by collecting ash from our fireplace. We shall need a tin with holes in it, just like we did for this, because it's what we always use. So we have 2 of them. I'll go ahead and put ash in them. So this is ash from our cooking place. It doesn't have any polythene or what in it. It's strictly ash from firewood. That will be enough. And I'll just place it in here. I'll also put in the second one. That will also be enough. And I also place it there. So I'll go ahead and pour in water. So it goes down slowly. I'll now leave it here until all the water drains through. So right now the water has filtered itself. As you can see, this first one is dry. So I'll just take it away. This one, the tin got full, so this one couldn't get down properly. But that's enough. So right there we have our kombo. That's what we are looking for. And if you taste it, it's kind of salty. So we shall just keep it in the bottle. So right there we have our kombo. This is the concentrate from ash. Just ready for use. So you can keep it for 3 to 4 days. And after you make another one, because the process is just easy. And this is just for throw away. So I'll just empty them here. So I'll go ahead and pour in. So you can see when you add kombo in your greens, they don't lose color, they stay just green like that.